Hello everybody and welcome to Third Beard Fishing. My name is Solomon. In today's video, we're doing something different than fishing. We're still doing some yard work. Hurricane Helene came through on the other side of the state. We got a lot of limbs and stuff down. No damage. We didn't lose power or anything. So I had to clean up the yard and do that. But I decided I'd go ahead and start the next phase of my shed removal project. Where I'm actually going to be taking the old broken garage door. As a matter of fact, the top of it fell off the last time I opened it. So, yeah, we're going to do that today and start some demolition and clean out of the shed. You guys have watched a previous video in this home improvement playlist where I started cleaning it out originally. And so, yeah, that's what we're going to do. I got rid of all my rats and my rat racks. I no longer breed my own rodents. I just use frozen thawed, and I have a friend that breeds live for me. So, it's time to get rid of this shed and get a new one and get it in a better position, because this is an eyesore and a big thing, pain in the butt for us. So, hope you guys enjoy this. I'm sorry I'm not out on the water. It's been kind of rough lately with the hurricane coming through. And all my family and all of my wife's family live in upstate South Carolina and western North Carolina, where Helene just absolutely devastated everything up there with flooding. And then, of course, you got to think about the west coast of Florida, too, and the Big Bend. So, and all the other states involved, Tennessee and stuff. So we've been waiting with bated breath for the past week, just to hear from our families and make sure everybody's okay. So, haven't really felt like fishing. I will get back to it. Sorry, but here we go. Let's get this done. Before we begin this awesome video, I want to show you guys something. My views are mostly from non-subscribers, about 86%. So if you guys are watching this and you are not subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I greatly appreciate your subscription. Now, back to this awesome video. Door is down. Got that part down. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the track. This track is so loose already that there's nothing really holding it to the wall very well. So it's one of the reasons why it failed so bad. Alright everybody, so as you can see down here, I got the garage door and all the brackets and everything down. That was a big project. That's something that I've been waiting to do, so I can slowly start getting this shed torn down. I even started it a little bit. I got the bottom part down here ripped out. It kind of fell out because the rats have chewed it open, but that's done. So I'll take a look inside. So there's still a bunch of clutter in here. I'm still going through what's left. Not everything in here is going to stay, but that is okay. I got the light down. Those are the big long bulbs. I got to take those to the road, I guess. And then clean up these little like cubby shelves. I don't know what he even used those for. This was here before we got here. And I got to get rid of all that junk. Yeah, and then that'll pretty much be it for this part. All we got left to do after that, after getting all this stuff cluttered out, is start ripping her down. And I am excited. I am very excited to have this eyesore away from where it's at. I mean, it's right up against the house. It's in a crappy position in the yard. It never should have been here, but whoever it was before us built this here, and it's just been one problem after another. So we will be getting a smaller one, probably a little metal shed to store some of the whatever's left. We don't have much left that's out here. So anyway, yeah, thanks for following along. I will get back fishing soon. Hurricane Helene kind of threw things in the loop for me, as well as everybody a lot of people in Florida, and definitely the Carolinas, and Tennessee and Virginia. I'm from the upstate of South Carolina. My wife is from the western North Carolina area. We actually moved to Florida from Asheville, so you know, we've been waiting with bated breath to hear from our families, and thankfully my side of the family and my wife's side of the family, they're all okay. They just don't have power. They had some trees fall down on some stuff. My wife's family had a tree fall in their lake house, and they've been repairing that. So still without power, probably going to be without power for a long time. So just keep everybody in your thoughts and prayers up there. It's devastating. It's horrible. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Hello everyone. If you could, I'd love for you guys to check out my father-in-law's YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel that I also edit videos for, called Bearded Lumber. They are a full-service sawmill and kiln channel, and they are an amazing channel. I hope you guys will check them out. The link is in the description of this video, so check them out. You'll really enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching Third Beard Fishing. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion, and feel free to subscribe here. Thank you.